welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another scent talk. And today, ang share ko sa inyo are scents that will give you a feminine energy. And kung ba nakikita na para mga lifestyle hacks or mga lifestyle advice that will bring out your feminine energy. If you're someone who's trying to reclaim your feminine energy, you just want to be soft, ganyan, ito yung mga scent na feeling ko is babagay. So again, disclaimer, hindi ko po nililimit na yung mga scent na to ay gagamitin lang ng mga may feminine energy or what. Feeling ko lang, ito yung mga scent na na-visualize ko na ginagamit kapag, ayun nga, you want to parang be feminine, like be pure and soft. Okay, so mag-start na ako with this one. It's not a Bath and Body Works nor a Victoria's Secret. So this one is the Lux Organics. Ayan, I already reviewed this on my channel. If you're interested, down below, I will try. Okay, so this is from Lux Fragrance by Lux Organics. So this one is the Blushing Bouquet. So from the name itself, alam mo na that this is very feminine. Okay, sabi dito, it's fresh, it's light, and natural. So this one daw is fresh, light, floral scent that is both elegant and playful. The perfect signature scent, this soft and dreamy fragrance allows you to experience a fresh bouquet of flowers with every spritz. Pag naisip natin si feminine, we think of pink, we think of flowers, ganyan, floral. So this one, I feel like will suit that vibe kapag mahilig ka sa mga like neutral wears or even mga pinks, ganon. So sobrang calm and pure nung scent na to, guys. So this is a fresh floral scent with some touch of parang greeny. So sabi nila kaamoy daw to ni Miss Dior na anong name nun? Blooming Bouquet. This one kasi is Blushing Bouquet. Nasabi ko ba na blooming? The pangalan niya is Blushing Bouquet. So this is fresh. Parang siyang, alam niyo, parang naligo ka and may trace pa rin ng slightly soapy, floral, parang body wash, parang ganon. Mabango yung scent na to, guys, and compliment getter din siya. I feel like yung scent na to, nagugustuhan siya ng mga nakakasalamuha ko that are around 30s kasi na-compliment nila ako once when I used this. Parang nakatabi ko siya and then gusto daw niya yung mga ganong scent. This is a rosy scent, hindi ko yata nasabi. So yung parang main scent na maamoy mo sa kanya is rose and also may mix of florals and greens. So mabango si Blushing Bouquet, guys. Ibinaba ko na siya kasi mabigat. If you want a scent that is really ladylike, ganyan, so si Blushing Bouquet, una ko masasuggest sa inyo. Next one is this, okay. So this is Gingham Gorgeous. May utang ako sa inyo, guys. Hindi ko pa na-review si Gingham line, yung bago niya. But then, eto si Gingham Gorgeous. So I believe meron siyang rose ba and fruits. Wait lang, naghuhulayat ako. Okay, it has pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony bloom. So hindi siya rose, it's pink. Ayan, so si Gingham Gorgeous, first of all, the packaging is really feminine. It's pink. It has some parang diamond specks from the faceted bottle. And it's floral. So, it's feminine. Ayan. So, si Gingham Gorgeous, this one is a mixture. Ang bango niya, guys. So, this one is a mixture of fresh, fruity floral scent. Initially, there is a sweetness, like a fresh, a young vibe, really girly. Like, if Blushing Bouquet is a scent na feeling ko nakakomplement ng mga around 30s, so this is a feminine teenager, like someone who's in her 16, 17, ganyan, wearing a cute pink dress, ballerina shoes, like ganyan, naka-flat sandals. Sobrang young nung scent na to. It's fruity, very vibrant yung scent niya. Like, nakaka-happy siya, nakaka-lift siya ng mood. But at the same time, hindi siya masyadong, alam niyo yung parang happy scent or fresh scent na pang sporty. Hindi siya ganon. It's fresh, but it's para siyang girl or teenager na prim and proper. Ayan, sobrang bango ni Gingham Gorgeous, guys. Amoy siyang balerina. Ganun na amoy ko sa kanya. Like, very prim. Yung kanyang movement is parang, alam mo yung parang tansyado. Lahat ng ginagalaw niya. Sobrang elegant ng amoy na to, guys. So, if you are going to college or mag-i-school ka and naghahanap ka ng scent na feeling mo nakaka-pretty girl, eto na yon, si Gingham Gorgeous. Okay, next one. I feel like it's an epitome of a feminine energy. So, this is Pure Wonder. So, wala siyang notes pala. Akala ko may notes, so wait lang. So, si Pure Wonder, it has Iced Rosé, Star Jasmine, and Warm Amber. So, this one initially smells like a clean, slightly fruity scent. Mabango yung scent na to, guys. But at the same time, it's very girly, feminine. It's something na maisasuggest ko for girls who are in their 20s. Especially if you are into parang mga neutrals or nude colors. Parang ito yung scent na feeling ko ginagamit nila. Very clean. The mixture of jasmine and white amber. Sobrang calm lang niya. Parang nakakakalma yung scent na to, guys. But at the same time, this one lingers. Alam niyo, parang simple lang yung amoy niya. Pero sobrang nagtatagal niya on my body. Ayan, makikita niyo naman marami na siyang bawas. This is my favorite. So, si Pure Wonder, very clean, very calm yung scent niya. Pero hindi siya yung parang clean, soapy. It's clean but it's elegant. So, ganun yung maaamoy mo kay Pure Wonder. So, if you just want a feminine energy na para bang, alam niyo, parang ganda-gandahan ka lang. Yung parang kapag naglalakad ka, your dress is flowy, o kaya you are wearing something na pang-corporate, ganyan. Alam mo yung parang nakaka-main character siya. So, ito yon, si Pure Wonder. The next one is this, Cape With Me at the Beach. So, it has freesia, vanilla orchid, tropical petals, and warm sand. So, this one naman is a type of feminine na parang on a vacation, like you are wearing a flowy dress. It's very fresh initially. But then, maaamoy mo sa kanya yung parang slight hint of vanilla. Not that toasty, foodie vanilla, but the vanilla orchid. It's a fresh floral vanilla scent. Sobrang bango nito, guys. It has a resemblance to Victoria's Secret Teas. Hindi sila totally magkaamoy, but they give off the same vibe. Like, ang bait nung amoy niya. Like, amoy siya na girl that's soft-spoken, very approachable. So, if ganun yung vibe nyo, I feel like magugustuhan nyo to. Nakakaganda siya, guys. Nakuha siya ng attention, but napaka-effortless niya. Hindi siya yung scent na sumisigaw. Hindi siya yung, alam mo yung parang sobrang tapang. But at the same time, may mystery siya. Nababanguhan ako sa kanya, guys. And I feel like gusto ko siya gamitin today. Ayan, so sobrang bango nito, guys. And also, maganda yung longevity niya. As in this recommendation is blush cardigan. Snuggle up in a soft cardigan and wrap yourself in a cozy evening. Sweet raspberry, sugar dip violet, and warm amber. This one naman is a cozy feminine scent. It smells clean, smells like a professional, like a girl boss. Ganun yung amoy nito, guys. Yung scent nito initially is composed of fruity notes coming from the sweet raspberry. But on the dry down, mixture siya ng parang clean, musky, ambery scent and the hint of floral. Sobrang ganda ng scent nito, guys. It's unique. Hindi mo siya palagi maaamoy. So, ayun, si Blush Cardigan. Something that I can suggest if you are a professional, like, professional setting, nakikita ko kasi kay Blush Cardigan. Naka-coat ka, ganyan, o kaya you are wearing parang a knitted cardigan, ganyan. Cozy kasi yung scent ni Blush Cardigan. And also, sabi ko nga, it's very unique. It's not your typical, like, girly, sweet scent. It's different. Meron siyang hint of musky, and ambery dry down. So, si Blush Cardigan is another scent that will bring out your feminine energy. So again, this review is subjective. I'm talking about my experience, about my judgment sa mga scent na to. But if you feel like may iba pang scent na mas nababagay sa mga feminine, alam mo yun, energy, or feeling ninyo wala namang gender ang scent, I have to agree naman. Pero, ayun, sa tingin ko lang, eto yung mga scent na pasok sa category na yun. So, sana nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to and I hope na enjoy ninyo. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this to your friends, always keep safe. Bye!